horticulture crops, you have to have a cow and a cow shed. One cow is good enough, and a cow shed, and some peripheral fruit trees and raised veg beds. So this is the requirement. Fencing is required because theft might happen depending on your area. And borewell is borewell or a well, if you have, that is a good thing to have. So what is the area of 1 acre? Almost 44,000 square feet. So this is, you can adopt this to half an acre or 2 acres or 3 acres. This particular model is for marginal farmers, not for people who have 20 acres, 30 acres. It's very intense kind of this thing. So each acre needs 2 people, husband and wife. Only 2 people can manage. You don't need any extra. So what I'm saying is, one guy and a lady is enough to do this model. So, do you know what is a bed? Not the bed we sleep, the bed. So I've shown you. So bed is a mound you create. So usually it should be around 1.5 feet. The more, if it is 2 feet also, it's fine. 3 feet wide. So 3 feet is this wide. So you have taken into 100 feet. We call that as a bed. So 2 types of bed. People who have a lot of money can go for the top one. But I recommend this is what everyone should do. Why do we create bed system? Because vegetable roots are not, they don't go deeper. It needs aeration. So when it is raised bed, vegetable roots get aeration, the crop's quality will be better. Understood? What is a bed?
What is the height of the bed?
If you keep it at 2 feet, it will be good. 1.5 to 2 feet. So it's wireless. Volume still reduce it. Huh? So when I say width, this is the width. Length. So width is 3 feet. It should not be more than 3 feet. Height from here to here is the height, which is 2 feet. 2 is good. If you make it more also, it's good. So each bed 3 into 100 means 300 square feet. 3 into 100 is 300 square feet. Likewise, we can make 80 beds. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Understood? Clear?
Between the bed,
I'll tell you. So between the bed, each bed 1.5 feet. You can give a spacing of 1.5 feet. So total bed is around 24,000 square feet, 80 beds. 300 into 80 is 24,000. Clear? If you have doubts, please stop me, I'll answer it.
What should be the height of the bed when that is created?
2 feet, I told you.
2 feet height.
1.5 to 2 feet. Yeah. You had a no, like this only. Same. See, it's very easy. To create a bed, you don't have to get mud from outside. That one bed you create, no? The side, this thing, the more you deeper you go, and put the mud on the bed. So it becomes 2 feet. So more deeper you go, the bed size increases.
So, ನೀವು ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅದೊಂದು 3 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೋಕೋಪೀಟ್ ರೆಡ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆನ್ಯೂರ್
Manure, see today, manure we shall see we have done videos on our YouTube channel, lot of YouTube videos are there. What manure has to be used by using cow-based inputs. We have taught all those things. Today I will not get into manure, pest control and all. We will focus only on this concept as you have to understand. All those things are easier to learn. It's not difficult. If you go to Subhash Panik's website, they have Jivamruta, Ghana Jivamruta, for pest control, Brahmastra, Neemastra, there are so many this thing. Subhash Panikar, you just search. Zero budget natural farming, ZPNF. So out of 44,000, 24,000 will become your cultivable area. Remaining 20,000 is used for your cow shed, your paths. In between that 1.5 feet you will leave, right? That pathways and all will come. It's 5 days a week, like corporate job. It's seriously like a corporate job. 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the evening job. Better than corporate job. Health, wealth, everything will be there. You'll be with the nature. Morning 6 to 9, evening 4 to 6 to 30. Simple, very simple process. So it's a 120 days cycle. Considering 2 days leave each week. 120 days cycle. So why 120 days? Greens, when you plant greens, within 1 month you get the production. The vegetables is about 3 months. Creepers is about 4 months. So we will be doing the multi-cropping method. So hence the cycle is 4 months or 120 days. Clear? Any questions? Anything? Okay, next. Types of crops. You can add. Whatever is there in demand, you can add. So 4 types of vegetables. One, which is greens. Second, ground veggies. What are ground veggies? Which grows above the ground. Tomato, chili, beans, cluster beans. All those are ground vegetables. Underground vegetables, you know, which grows under the ground. Onion, potato, carrot, radish, garlic. These are ground vegetables. Creepers. Creepers are cucumbers, pumpkins, ridge gourd. There are so many. We have just listed few of them here. So around 40-45 types of vegetables you can choose from. So choose vegetables which are in demand. That's very, very important. Which are in demand. Choose those type of vegetables. Clear? If you give your email address, we'll send across this PPT. You don't have to take photos. We'll send this PPT. There is nothing proprietary. It's proprietary to our ancestors. So, next slide, please.
So one question. So when we are selecting the vegetables, is it also important for us to understand the region in which you are growing these vegetables? Because in some of the regions, maybe because of the climatic conditions or the weather conditions, it might not be suitable.
So, see, 90% of the vegetable grows. So, carrots grow better in Ooty, in cold regions. But if you put carrots in Mandya, it will grow. It's not that it will not. But yield will be lesser. Yield will be lesser, that's all. But all the vegetables will grow. Vegetables, it's not like that. Yield might vary also. So, I have explained this. 3 feet wide, 100 feet in length. Clear, no? Next. So previously. Very important, this is, So I told 1 acre, I told the crops and all. You cannot go tomorrow, do 80 beds, on the second day go plant everything. It doesn't work that way. You have to remember, one day your cultivatable area is 1 bed only. 5 days, 5 beds. Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Monday to Friday, 5 beds. So you can prepare 5 beds, 80 beds at once, because the cost will be low. You can use some kind of machinery and create 80 beds at once. But sowing, plantation has to be in stage manner. This is how this model works. This model works only on this method, not planting everything at once. Okay. So bed dimensions are given. So if we are talking about, let's say we'll choose tomato for the first bed. Every 2 feet in the center of the bed, you have to put tomato. The distance, if you are putting one here, second one here, third, fourth. Likewise, how many tomato?
40, 50, 150.
How many tomatoes in that bed? 100 feet bed. 51 now. 51 will come. Because we are planting at 0. This corner. Till here, 51 will come. Okay. Clear now? All your ground vegetables, the one beans, okra, lady's finger, all those things, always in the center. Except for okra. I'll not go in detail. I don't want to confuse you. Everything in center. Okay? 50, let's take 50 number. 50 tomato plants are there. So now we'll take radish, mooli. On the edge. From here to here. From here to here. 1 feet distance, we can do 5 radish seeds we can put. Radish seeds, 5. So how many radish will come? 1,000. 500 this side, 500 the other side.
So in 1 feet, 5 radish seeds can be.
1 feet, 5 radish will come. Radish, carrot, beetroot, all 5. In a feet, 5 seeds you can space it into 5, 5, 6. So agree with the numbers? Where on the edge, on this ridge, between. Understood? Questions? When you make the mound, right? So all your ground vegetables, tomato, beans, cluster beans, okra, brinjal, Mysore brinjal, whatever, that should be in the center, spaced 2 feet apart. Okay, that is ground vegetables. We have made a video of this on our YouTube. The nice video is there, in Kannada and English both. The ground vegetables should be, where should it be placed?
Center of the bed. Center 2 feet.
No, ground vegetables. Which goes under the ground. This ridge.
Yes.
This ridge. How many of them comes? Ground vegetables, underground vegetables? 1,000. Okay. Don't do potato. It's not a complimentary this thing. Don't do potato. So here I have mentioned the feet also, no? 1.5 feet. So now comes the green part. So if you take, this is the bed, which is like this. Can you visualize?
Yes.
This is the bed. 3 feet, and it's going till 100 feet. You have to make lines like this by your hand, lines 1 feet apart. Understanding, right? This is understand. If this is on the ground, how many lines can we make like this? 100. 101. So in this thing you have to make green, palak, coriander, methi, amaranthus. There's so many. Amaranthus cells, palak cells, methi doesn't go in volume, coriander doesn't go in volume, but others, this thing, they go in volume. So you have to mix the seeds with sand, and put it here on this, in the group. Understood? Okay. Greens has to be planted like this.
So can you please repeat it? So how many feet on the ridges?
No, from end to end.
3 feet in time.
On the top,
Okay.
from end to end. On the top from
Okay.
end to end.
Okay.
Understood? No?
Got it.
So that's why I am repeating twice. It's very. These are all small details. You have to. So 100, 101, 100. We'll keep it as 100. 100.
We put only one type of.
One type of
not
green.
mix it.
So here we have, for the first bed, we have taken tomato, 50 saplings. Tomato don't try with seeds and all. You have to bring saplings from the nursery. All ground vegetables which grows on the ground, like tomato, okra. Okra can be seeds. Tomato, brinjal, get the saplings from outside. Don't worry whether it's hybrid or native. Don't worry. Don't get too much work done. I want to. Native seeds are not there. Very, very rare. Whatever it is, you grow. So, greens, 50 ground plants, 1000 underground plants, and we have 100 lines of greens. So, for this, we have taken radish, the first bed radish, tomato, and palak. Clear? Now, creeper. So, this is 0 feet. You have to make 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. 3 holes. Again after 25 feet, another 3 holes. 50 feet, another 3 holes. 75 feet, another 3 holes. 100 feet, another 3 holes. Small ones, very small. By hand only you can make.
The distance is
25 feet. So total 5. 1 hole, 2 hole, 3 hole. If you can plant drumstick you can directly plant. You know, right? Drumstick.
Nuge.
That you can get the stems and plant. It will, one is it will fix nitrogen. Second is creepers can grow on it. So two drumstick, one, two, likewise.
3, right?
5. Total. In the holes, creeper, this thing has to be put, seeds. Creeper seeds, each hole 3 seeds. One might pass, 2 might pass, or even 3 might also pass. Sometimes it fails, no? So 3 seeds. So how many holes total? 5 into 3. 50. So drumstick, and we are not calculating any income. So in the periphery of your land, you can put fruit trees, butterfruit, papaya. There are many fruit trees. So you can put across. That will be a additional income. I'm not even talking about those stuff. Because when you put trees, and remember to put 4 to 5 pomegranate seeds, plant. Pomegranate is the number one pest attractor. Give it to them. Let them feast. You will not get even a single pomegranate, but you are giving it to them. Let them feast. They will never come to your
Other
plants. In my farm, I have 4. I have not eaten a single this thing. Trees, white trees, I am talking is birds will come to your this thing, farm. So last year alone, so birds will come, they will eat our Goa. Honeybees will come. So this birds, honeybees, snakes, rats, they, even though they consume, they give it back to us. So last year, my Goa was, 50% of my Goa was eaten by birds, parrots. But what I got is, I got about 120 Goa saplings. So eat, they drop. They drop it back. Seeds comes from the dropping. I got 120 or 130. Sold it at 20 rupees each. So nothing is free. Honeybees, they come, feast on the flower. They take the nectar. What do they give back? Pollination. 30% yield will increase. So trees around this must there. Okay. So now, have you all written down? 50 tomato we have. Yes, sir.
So only on the surrounding we need to put the
trees.
only on the surrounding.
Huh? So drumstick, wherever you are putting the creeper, right? So
For greens.
first hole, second hole, third hole.